How to dispose of batteries, a waste reduction toolkit. Every year, fires caused by improper battery disposal cost waste, recycling, and scrap operators over $1.2 billion. Properly disposing of your batteries saves money and lives by lessening the chance of a fire breaking out at a facility. Here are the basics. Alkaline and carbon zinc batteries include your standard 9-volt, AA, AAA, C, and D batteries. These everyday batteries can now be thrown in with the household trash. We do recommend taping the ends of individual batteries or bag them separately as a fire prevention measure. Rechargeable batteries must be recycled and should not be thrown in with household trash. Rechargeable batteries include nickel cadmium, nickel metal hydride, lithium ion, lithium polymer, and nickel zinc. You can find them in power tools, cell phones, laptops, and anything rechargeable. Dispose of rechargeable batteries by taping the terminals or bag individual batteries. These should go through a reclamation company such as Call to Recycle. Most electronic recycling vendors will also take rechargeable batteries to be recycled. When recycled, rechargeable batteries are separated by type. They are shredded, melted, or otherwise separated to access all components and recover valuable materials. For example, materials from nickel cadmium and nickel metal hydride can be recycled into silverware, pots and pans, golf clubs, and new batteries. A specific type of rechargeable batteries are button cells, which include mercury oxide, silver oxide, and zinc air batteries. Most small, round button cell type batteries found in items such as watches, hearing aids, and children's toys contain mercury, silver, cadmium, lithium, zinc, or other heavy metals. Button cells are increasingly targeted for recycling because of the value of recoverable materials, their small size, and their easy handling relative to other battery types. Mercury oxide button batteries have a high mercury content. All button batteries should be kept out of the waste stream. These batteries can be sent with fluorescent light bulbs through NRRA as a universal waste, through your household hazardous waste collection, or through a reclamation company such as Call to Recycle. Another type of rechargeable battery are lithium-ion or lithium polymer batteries found in cell phones, laptops, hoverboards, and other smart products. The lithium-ion and lithium polymer batteries in these items are often encased in a soft pouch that, when punctured, allows air to reach the battery, causing a chemical reaction that leads to sparks, fire, and sometimes explosions. The fire produces toxic smoke. When batteries are improperly thrown away, they end up in our waste transfer stations and landfills. As waste is compacted and moved with heavy equipment, the pouch encasing the batteries can be punctured and start a fire. These should be brought to household hazardous waste collections or sent through a reclamation company such as Call to Recycle. When recycled, lithium batteries are sorted and processed to separate the cathode, anode, and materials such as cobalt, nickel, and lithium, which can be turned into new batteries. Lead-acid batteries are found in vehicles, battery backups, ATVs, ride-on lawnmowers, and power wheels. Lead-acid batteries must be recycled and should not be thrown with household waste. Lead-acid batteries should be collected, stacked, and wrapped prior to shipping. First, choose a sturdy pallet. Place a layer of cardboard on the pallet to prevent batteries from sliding off. Make the first layer of batteries level and as close together as possible. If some are shorter, they should be placed in the center of the layers. Taller batteries should be placed on the top layer. Place waffle board or multiple layers of cardboard between all layers, including one on the top of the top layer. Side terminal batteries must be stacked so the posts are facing away from each other and not facing toward the outside of the pallet. Side terminals must never touch. Damaged batteries that are not visibly leaking must be put in heavyweight polyethylene plastic bags, properly sealed with plastic ties, and placed in the middle of the top layer. Once a full pallet of batteries has been gathered, the full pallet must be wrapped and is then ready to be shipped out for recycling. When recycled, lead-acid batteries are smashed into small pieces. The acid is treated, neutralized, and then tested before final disposal. The plastic and metal is washed, dried, and separated into different categories. Recycled plastic and lead are reused to make new batteries. When it comes to battery disposal, it's always best to play it safe. If you have questions or need assistance, please contact the NRRA's Member Services team for help.